Okay, today we're just going to discuss some of the skate parts. We have an inline skate. Call it an inline skate because the wheels are in one line. We have our conventional quad skate where we have two skates in the rear and two skates in the front. The inline popularity came around about 1990. People started skating outside more. A little bit easier to go forward, long stretches. You don't edge per se on them. You do more crossing of your feet if you have to turn. Outside, you're usually skating in the street or in the parking lot. You get a lot of long runs. The quad skate has the chassis with a set of action rubbers, which allow the skate to flex with the way you pressure your skate. On inside in a building, most rinks are 160 to 180 feet long by 80 foot wide. Every 170 feet you have to turn. On the quad skate, you lean, the skate will curve for you. On the inline skate, you have to step over to go around the corner. If you look at the skates, you'll see that the wheels on a quad skate are under the center of the heel and under the ball of the foot. The wheel on the inline skate, the back wheel is beyond the heel of the skate, and your front wheel is usually to the ball of the foot or slightly in front of it. And sometimes there's a five-wheel skate, which the wheel will be out in front of the toe. Okay, what happened? The inline skate will produce more push because the last wheel will get a little more, when you extend your free leg, will get a little more bite off of the ground, whereas the quad skate, you'll be a little bit shorter push. If you bend your knees, you'll get equal push on either skate, but the inline skate is a little faster skate. The quad skate, again, you can press on the edge to make an edge, to make a curve. And we're just going to talk a second about the parts of the skate. On the inline skate, pretty much wheels. Inside, in the wheels are a set of bearings, two bearings in each wheel, and then there's an axle that pulls them onto the plate. The bearings can be from $1 bearing to a $10 bearing. Again, you decide how much you want to spend on a set of bearings for a skate. There are usually 16 bearings in an inline skate or 16 bearings in a set of quad skates, two skates. On skating inside, the wheel can range anywhere from a 54 millimeter wheel up to a 62 millimeter. That's the diameter of the wheel. The hardness of the wheel can be anywhere from a 95A to a 103A, which is the hardness of the wheel. As your number goes up on your A rating, the wheel becomes harder. The wheel becoming harder allows the wheel to roll better, but being harder, the wheel does not grip the floor as well. So you give up, you get a little bit with some things, and you give something away. I use a 62 millimeter wheel with a 98 grip A rating. I have a set of bone bearings. This is a Douglas Snyder plate. It's one of the old standby competitive skates. It was made in the 50s by Douglas Snyder for his daughter, who was a competitive skater. The other parts of the skate, you have a toe stop or toe pick. On the quad skate, you have a truck which has a pivot pin, and you have your boot and your plate. Again, any part of the skate you can upgrade, or you use whatever you can afford. I mean, you'll enjoy your skating more if you find something that fits your foot properly, and it doesn't rub in your foot doesn't rub in the boot. Remember, the shoe will never get smaller. When you start wearing a skate, as you break the boot in, it will get larger. So you want something when you buy it brand new that'll be a snug fit on your foot. Again, if it's really very comfortable when it's brand new, it's probably going to be too big when you break it in. So just a few statements about skates and your skating equipment. Wheel type, dependent upon the floors that you're skating on, the coating on the floor. Outside wheels are usually harder than indoor wheels because they get chewed up more by the pavement, the concrete. Toe stops. There are all types of different toe stops, and it all depends what you're going to use them for. If anyone has any questions about skates or skating equipment, or wanting to know where to purchase it, go to your local rink, or you can contact me on the site. We'd be happy to help you. And thank you. We're going to have some more videos coming up shortly, inline skating and some more quad skating, different aspects of quad skating. Thank you for your continued support. Have a good day. I guess you didn't like it.